Today, I've got something hot and exciting that I want to share. No, not like that. What I want to share is LEGO Minecraft The Nether Railway, set number 21130. Released during the month of March 2017, this set is already 7 years old at this point, so I'm a little late to the review party, but you know, maybe you've never seen it, so let's revisit it and take a look at it. When I'm buying used LEGO, you better be giving me that box, which this one happened to come with. Looking at it, we're able to see all the information. The total number for pieces that came in this set is 387. That's a fair amount considering its original price of $30. If you're over the age of 8, you're in luck. This set was intended for you, even you, my adult viewers. Now, let's get down to the bread and the butter of it all, the building process. If you're not familiar with older Minecraft sets, they were built in a way much different than the ones today. Most sets today are built upon plates, with the main focus typically just being the structure being built. With these old ones, things were way different, with the focus being on the terrain, building sections that feel more modular and being raised up off the table by basic bricks. Whenever building this one, you just make a lot of rail sections that you eventually put together using the 2x4 orange bricks included with the set. Much like older sets, this build style leaves the builder the option to change the model into, as they would call it, their own creation. I really enjoyed the build on this one, and honestly, I think you will too if you like building. Now, introducing the big, the bad, the completed Nether Railway. It comes out looking great and packing a lot of playability into a smaller set. The set includes everything that someone would want in the terms of play features. For one, the rail system is fully functional with the cart sitting upon the rails with 2 studs beneath. That helps keep it on track. Going around the rail system, the cart crosses over a section that when you move across it causes a magma cube to jump. Other little details are littered throughout, which adds to the level of immersion achievable when someone is playing with the set. Some of these details are one powered rail where the character's meant to launch from, 2 different mushroom types, and multiple nether quartz blocks. If you're looking for something you can play with or give it to a kid to play with, I think you'll like this set. That's it for this review. But what about minifigures, Crazy Steve? Stop! I've got you covered. This set came packaged with 2 different minifigures in the first appearance of magma cubes. There's one exclusive minifigure in this set, Steve, with medium blue legs plus armor. It's really hard to call this one exclusive because Steve is featured in so many sets though, but this is the only one we've got him exactly like this. The other minifigure, Zombie Pigman, before this set appeared in the Nether Fortress and once again after in the Nether Fight. It fits in really nicely with the theme of this set and comes with the standard golden sword that they carry. For the magma cubes, we have one that is brick built and one that is simply printed onto a Minecraft headpiece. This version of the big magma cube has since been updated in the Nether Bastion with minor changes to the print, namely more vividness. Today, this minifigure selection seems lackluster, but I can honestly imagine back then it was much more exciting due to the magma cube's introduction. Wrapping up this look back at LEGO Minecraft The Nether Railway, we can see it is an awesome LEGO Minecraft experience. The multiple build options and exceptional playability are in line with, if not better than what we're used to from LEGO Minecraft. No set is without its faults though, and this one's faults are seen in the minifigure selection, mainly due to them just being re-released. They're not bad minifigures. So don't let that steer you away, because whether you're a fan of the game, a die-hard collector, or you just love a cool LEGO build, then this set is definitely worth checking out. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, just consider leaving it a like. If you've seen any of my other videos, tell me how you liked this one compared to those. Is the editing getting better? How does my voice sound? All feedback is listened to and appreciated. If you want, sub to the channel for more LEGO reviews, builds, all things brick related, and until next time, people, stay crazy.